Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Retrowave. You guys can call me Zari, and welcome to the most aesthetically pleasing channel on the face of YouTube. Today we have another reaction video. This was requested by Rihanna Spears, and today the song we're going to be reacting to is called Bark at the Moon by Aesthetic Perfection. Haven't heard of them before, so we're going in blind on this one. Obviously it's a reaction, we're all supposed to be going in blind. Either way, let's get to this video and see what this song has in store for us. So I bark at the moon. Okay, interesting. Ooh, that caught me off guard. Wasn't expecting a synthwave. Okay. I can appreciate this actually.
I spend my whole life trying to be someone, yes. I spend my whole life trying to seize your love. So I ran and I raved like a rat in a cage, and I wonder am I getting
I like the style. I like his style. Yes! I really like the aesthetic of the song. Like, it's a mix between almost punk and synthwave. Like, because of his style and the way that he's singing, it does seem like it's like a punk song to a synthwave 80s style beat, which is unique, and I love uniqueness. This is amazing. This is really cool. Totally love this. Thank you, Rihanna Spears, for requesting this.
Waited so long to finally free myself. Yes, I've waited so long to feel the release from now. So it's set in the sun and the change has begun. In the darkness I died to come out. No, I'm not on the road. I can wait to be done with the lies.
Hit it. Yo, this is like right down my alley. Like, the lyric even itself like resonates with me.
I'm letting my demons out, yes, I'm bark at the moon. I'm letting me really out. When the lights go out, the sky's down, I finally bury myself.
Yes, bark at the moon.
I bark at the moon.
Yo, dude, you are hitting it. Yo, this song is flipping amazing. This is a masterpiece. Oh my god, I'm sorry I'm so loud here, but like, I have to give credit where it's due. This is a well-filmed, directed, and amazing concept of a song. I've never heard the mix between punk, rock, and like synthwave pop 80s sound mixed together. This is a masterpiece right here. Please guys, go check out Aesthetic Perfection. And Rihanna Spears, you did an amazing job really recommending this one here. I have now found my new favorite artist to listen to, and I will be looking at more reactions to Aesthetic Perfection, as this channel also is aesthetically pleasing to all of our eyes and ears, hopefully. Either way, this was an amazing song, amazing concept, totally loved that, right down my alley of like my favorite kinds of songs and vibes, and this one definitely hit it for me. So if you guys enjoyed this video as much as you did enjoy this song, please be sure to go check out Aesthetic Perfection. I'll leave their details down below. You can subscribe here if you want to join the fam. I don't know what I'm going to call this yet. And you can also check out over here to see any other videos that I post. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!